Ijaji lenkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli uPortia Phahlane, indodana yakhe uKagiso Phahlane, umholi webandla i-IPHC uBhekumuzi Mike Sandlana kanye noVusi Ndala baboshwe izolo ngeinsolo zokufumbathiswa igidi zamarandi.
The court makes the following order to say that the applicants 2, 3 and 4 should be released on bail to the amount that I will determine after being duly addressed by the parties before court.
Khathi manje ikhipha isinqumo iyalele ijaji uPhahlane ukuba lingangena ezakhiweni zezinkantolo eziphakeme ezimbili lingafaki izicelo zokuvakasha liphinde lihlinzeke ngencwadi yalo yokuvakasha kanti abanye abasolwa nabo bayalele ukuba bengafaki izicelo zokuvakasha bengenzi futhi amanye amacala bengaqhambukeli nasophenyweni. uPhahlane uthi ayikho into aboshelwe yona, uthi isono sakhe ukuba umehluleli embangweni ophakathi kweinhlangothi ezimbili zebandla i-IPHC ngemuva kokushona komholi walo uClayton Modise ngo-2016.
I consider the charges against me as the result of a personal vendetta conducted against me by parties who were involved in a civil dispute with each other relating to the succession battle within a church group called the International Pentecost Holiness Church, the IPHC, after the death of the then leader of the church, one Bishop Clayton Modise.
Kulindeleke ukuba leli cala libuyele enkantolo ngoNdasa.
Kusenjalo ubuholi bebandla iPHC ohlangothini lwaseSilo eZiribhagom eWestern Area buthi buyakwemukela ukuboshwa kwabasolwa kanti luphindelwa dalula ukuthi izinsolo zokufumbathiswa kukamehluleli uPortia Phahlane zayivele zikhona futhi ke wenqaba ukususwa kuleli cala emva kokuvela kwalezi zinsolo.
We brought in an application to court asking her to recuse herself on the basis of the allegation of the bribery. She still insisted that she's not going to recuse herself. And that left us with no option as the two parties, the FLG Modise and the TS Modise faction, to withdraw from the legal battle because it was evident, even from the proceedings in court, they were so abnormal and irregular to such an extent that it became evident that she is going to rule against us, irrespective of the evidence that we can adduce before court.